In the world of Avatar: The Last Airbender, the intricate tapestry of symbols and hidden meanings weaves a rich narrative that extends beyond the surface of its story. Each element, character, and cultural artifact is imbued with layers of significance that contribute to the depth and complexity of the series. The four nations, water, earth, fire, and air, each represent not only distinct bending abilities but also philosophical and cultural paradigms that reflect real-world ideologies and traditions. The water tribe, for instance, symbolizes adaptability and community. The fluidity of water is mirrored in the tribe's ability to adapt to their harsh, icy environments and their strong sense of unity and cooperation. The moon and ocean spirits, Tui and La, embody the balance and duality inherent in waterbending, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all life. This duality is further explored through the character of Katara, whose journey from a novice waterbender to a master healer and warrior encapsulates the transformative power of water. The Earth Kingdom, with its vast and diverse landscapes, represents stability, endurance, and resilience. Earthbending, rooted in the strength and solidity of the earth, requires a deep connection to the ground and an unwavering determination. This is epitomized by Toph Beifong, a blind earthbender who uses her seismic sense to perceive the world around her. Toph's character challenges traditional notions of strength and ability, illustrating that true power comes from within and that limitations can be transcended through inner strength and perseverance. The Fire Nation, often depicted as the antagonist in the series, symbolizes ambition, power, and transformation. Firebending, fueled by the breath and the will, is a double-edged sword that can bring warmth and life or destruction and chaos. The duality of fire is embodied in the characters of Zuko and Azula. Zuko's journey from a banished prince seeking his father's approval to a redeemed hero highlights the potential for personal growth and redemption. In contrast, Azula's descent into madness underscores the destructive potential of unchecked ambition and the corrosive effects of power. The air nomads, who were nearly wiped out in the Fire Nation's quest for dominance, represent freedom, spirituality, and detachment. Airbending, characterized by its lightness and agility, reflects the nomadic lifestyle and philosophical outlook of the air nomads. Aang, the Last Airbender and the Avatar, embodies the principles of airbending through his playful, carefree nature and his deep sense of responsibility and compassion. The air nomads' emphasis on spiritual enlightenment and harmony with nature serves as a counterpoint to the more materialistic and power-driven motivations of the other nations. Beyond the elemental symbolism, the series is rich with cultural references and hidden meanings that enhance its narrative complexity. The concept of the Avatar, a being who can master all four elements and maintain balance in the world, draws from various mythological and religious traditions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Taoism. The Avatar's role as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds underscores the series' exploration of balance and harmony. The use of Chinese calligraphy and traditional East Asian art styles in the series' visual design further reinforces the cultural depth of the world. Each nation's architecture, clothing, and customs are meticulously crafted to reflect their unique identities and values. The recurring motif of balance, whether through the yin-yang symbolism of the water tribe or the cyclical nature of the Avatar's reincarnation, permeates the series and underscores its central themes. Avatar: The Last Airbender is a masterful blend of storytelling, symbolism, and cultural richness. The series' use of elemental symbolism, character arcs, and cultural references creates a multi-layered narrative that resonates with audiences on multiple levels. By delving into the hidden meanings and symbols within the series, viewers can gain a deeper appreciation for its intricate world-building and the profound messages it conveys about balance, harmony, and the human condition.